look. This is on top of a cool toolbox on a little bit of wood, and it's almost perfect. Now I'll just put this in here, and then I've got part of the engine in. Well, that's those 3 bolts in, the engine's secure. I mean, you can move it about, but it's not in danger of falling as long as you've got something underneath it. And that movement, and the fact that it doesn't weigh very much just now, well, it does actually weigh quite a bit, will allow us to position the gearbox in more easily. So now the next thing for me is to put the gearbox on. So I need to clean the gearbox, and I want to change the oil seal on it. The gearbox is here, and as you can see, it leaked. This oil seal here is damaged, so well, not damaged, it's just worn out. So I need to clean up in here, and then I'll put the new oil seal, and then it'll be time to put the gearbox on. I'll do that now.